To clone a Bitbucket repository in Eclipse, follow these steps. Install eGit. Ensure the eGit plugin is installed in Eclipse. It's usually included by default in most Eclipse IDEs. If not, install it via Help, Eclipse Marketplace, search for eGit and install it. Get repository URL. Go to your Bitbucket repository page, click the clone button and copy the URL. Open Eclipse, launch Eclipse and go to File, Import. Import from Git. In the Import wizard, select Git Projects from Git and click Next. Select Clone URL. Choose Clone URL and click Next. Paste the Bitbucket repository URL into the URL field. eGit will automatically fill in the order fields like host, repository path, and repository. Authenticate. Enter your Bitbucket credentials if prompted. For SSH, ensure your SSH keys are configured. Choose branches. Select the branches you want to clone and click Next. Select destination. Choose the local directory where you want to clone the repository and click Next. Finish and import. Click Finish. Eclipse will clone the repository and prompt you to import it as a project. Select the project and click Finish to open it in Eclipse.